TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials trading down 68 at 17,969. You get the NASDAQ off 25. S&Ps are down 8.5 at 2,100. Gold contract up 550, 1194. You got silver up 7 cents at 1675. Platinum's up 650. Trading out at the 1109 area. Light sweet crude up 42 cents at 60.62 bonds. Now, the bond market, folks, and the dollar are the story out here. You have the 10-year down 13 ticks, 126.15. That's going to be going after the lowest swing point. It has volume expanding as we're moving down. The 30-year is down 1 full point, 152.11. And King Dollar is getting toasted and roasted. That's down 1,400 ticks, 96.03. You got the euro up 216 at 111, and the yen is down 79 at 123.98. Now, if we go over and take a look at the S&P, this is what you have happening, folks. First, we take a look at the SPY. What you had with the SPY yesterday had a sideways move out here yesterday. What you're doing out here this morning, you got a huge expansion of volume. We're already at 21 million shares traded. You're going after the low that was established out here on the 26th. Now, that low, folks, had 124 million shares traded. We're going to do probably more than 124 million. We've already hit that low. It's bounced off that low first time down. What you do have, however, is that you got a high volume low now that's sitting down there at the 210.28 area. If we take a look at the SPX, you just remember the number on the SPX, you stay below the 2119 number, which would be below a few days. That is saying you're on your way down the larger portion to 2039. So that's quite a way down from where we are at this particular point. The NDX 100, we take a look at the NDX 100, which has been the strongest index out there. NDX 100 still strong this morning. It's down, the NDX with the 3Qs are down 71 cents. We're at 109.71. Now, what does happen is this. The 108.91 will bring you back, or bring that NDX 100 back into the lower range. That lower range will set up that it will trade down to the 104 area. So it's pretty intense, that the structure, once you get back inside the range. We go take a look at the small caps. What do we have happening with the small caps? Small caps out here are trading. If we take a look at the IWM is trading at a price point of 123.81. Small caps are in the lower range. The small caps are saying it wants to trade down to this 119.83 area. Gold contract, they just can't knock gold down, folks. Gold does need wide price spread, accelerated volume on the way up. Now, what we had out here yesterday was this. The contract itself had the wide price spread, had the accelerated volume, and then it gave it up on price. What we have out here this morning is that you're up $5. We've done 77,000 contracts, which is good numbers. That is saying that this contract out here today can make that run to the 1204 area. The first run out here this morning thus far got it up to the 1196 area, and at the 1196 area we do have some juice up there. We hit the 1196.40. We did that with 59,000 contracts, so that's saying that we can get up into that area. Bonds. The bonds are the story out here, folks. If the Fed doesn't raise the rates, guess what? The market is. Bonds out here, we're down 11 ticks with the 10-year. You're trading at 127.04. That 127.04 is running into your lows out here of the 126.06. I expect what you're going to see is that we're going to run right after those lows. TYU5. Let's put this right back up here again. Okay, so we've done 815,000 contracts thus far. The low out here, we're at the 126.17. The low that it's going after is the 125.13. I figure it will take a few more days in order for that to happen, but that's where it's going after. Now, let's go over to King Dollar. You take a look at King Dollar. What do we have with King Dollar? What King Dollar is doing out here, folks, King Dollar is down 1,300 ticks. We're at 96.12. King Dollar is going after the swing low of 93.17. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here at 10 o'clock tomorrow. If you're like me,
You see the world's emerging nations as a very real opportunity, as these countries and their economies are developing right before our eyes. And you can rest assured that Everbank has spotted this opportunity too. In fact, they have just released the second running of their 5-year Market Safe Futures Economy CD. This is a CD that could really deliver, but you only have until June 11th to take advantage. Consider the facts. If the future economy's currencies beat the US dollar over the CD term, you'll get all of the upside at maturity. And should they lose, no worries. There's zero downside risk here, as you get back 100% of your deposited principal. Don't miss out. The June 11th funding deadline is quickly approaching. So hurry over to everbank.com/TFNN-CD for more information, including important product details and disclosures. Once again, that's everbank.com/TFNN-CD. Everbank is an equal housing lender and member FDIC.